Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to clear Elementor cache in WordPress. Alright, let's begin. First, log into your WordPress dashboard by entering your username and password. Once you're on the dashboard, look at the menu on the left-hand side and find Elementor. Click on it to expand its options. From the expanded menu, select Tools. This section contains important utilities for managing and optimizing your Elementor-powered site. Once inside Tools, click on the General tab. Here, you'll see the option to clear the Elementor cache. Caches temporarily store data to improve loading speed, but they can sometimes cause issues when updates are not showing. Clearing the cache removes old stored data and ensures your visitors see the most recent version of your site. Click on Clear Cache and wait a few moments for the process to complete. Your site will now reload with the latest changes applied. So that's basically how you can clear Elementor cache in WordPress. That's it for this video. Thanks.